the flour, make it into the powder form. And normally, how fast it is water. Okay, just a little bit of water. So it's like probably 1 teaspoon to 1, and I'm just going to show you how fast it is. You can already get, the coloring. You need to add the blue powder on it. So separately green half, and so this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to use the chopstick to mix, and do this while you have the liquid to dissolve the powder, and you still need some time to steam it so that the powder can actually properly dissolve. So just remember, the powder is actually powder, it's dry, so you need to have a little bit of liquid and some time to allow it to properly dissolve and blend into the glutinous rice. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do, is half of this glutinous rice, and use a chopstick to stir it. Okay, this is